Universal creation, the universe as God's living body. Kardec teaches that divine creation is universal and infinite. The cosmic fluid, which constitutes the primordial substance, extends everywhere and gives rise to worlds, beings, and systems at different stages of evolution. Therefore, there are no limits to creation, only different planes of existence, material and spiritual, which interpenetrate and obey the same laws. The universe is the reflection of divine will in action. God does not create on a whim, but by law, and his work is constantly renewed. While worlds disappear, others are born. While forms disintegrate, new ones are organized. This perpetual transformation is the very pulse of universal life, the rhythm of eternity. Kardec explains that the visible universe is not the entirety of creation. Above and beyond it, there are spiritual worlds, composed of more subtle matter, inhabited by spirits at different degrees of purity. These worlds are invisible to the human eye, but they form a reality as objective as physical matter. Thus, the cosmos is double, one visible and one invisible, which coexist and complement each other. Modern physics and cosmology admirably confirm this view of a multiple and interconnected creation. We now know that the universe is composed of only 5% visible matter. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, invisible, but which determine the movement of galaxies and the expansion of the cosmos. Science, therefore, recognizes that the visible part is only the surface of a much larger reality, just as Spiritism affirms about the spiritual worlds. Each world, teaches Kardec, has its own purpose within the whole. Material worlds serve as dwellings and learning places for spirits in evolution. Spiritual worlds welcome those who have already surpassed material needs. Nothing is useless, nothing is empty. Every particle has a function, every spirit has a destiny. The universe is, thus, a living organism, and God is the soul that animates it. Astrophysics shows that the laws governing the macrocosm and microcosm are the same. The same forces that keep galaxies in orbit also keep electrons spinning around the atomic nucleus. This perfect symmetry reveals that creation is one in essence, varying only in scale and vibration. Spiritualism complements. This unity is not only physical, but also moral and spiritual. Everything is connected by laws of solidarity, love, and progress. Kardec emphasizes that man occupies a modest but noble place in this vastness. He is a conscious spark of the universe, destined to understand and collaborate with the divine work. By studying the laws of nature, he discovers the laws of God. By developing his morality, he reflects the light of the Creator. Thus, scientific progress and spiritual progress are two sides of the same ascent. The universal creation, therefore, is not an inaccessible mystery, but a school open to reason. Each star is a lesson, each life is a step, and each spirit is a learner of eternity. The entire universe is the expression of God's love, a cosmic symphony where everything vibrates, everything moves, and everything renews. If this message has awakened in you admiration for the infinite, share it. Because contemplating the universe is hearing the voice of God echoing in eternity.